hand real quick? Oh, no, sorry!
You just stole his truck!
You don't ever talk about this again.
Alright, this cartoon is a bit different. It ain't about me for once. It's about Grimm versus Philly Mike Swanson. Swanson says, "You will never take this title away from me, fat man." Grimm says, "Yes I can, and I will do it shovel style." Swanson screaming, "I'm on fire!" Then Grimm says, "Let good guy Grimm help you with that." Swanson says, "Dumbass." Then Grimm screams about his nuts hurting. Then Grimm says, "You can't beat the fatness." Grimm's thinking. Grimm got an idea.
Makeover, 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 makeover.
Grimm says, "Let's wake this loser up." Then Swanson says, "What the hell?" Grimm says, "You Geico caveman looking bitch."
Every girl crazy about a shot man.
Swanson says, "Fuck you, you fat piece of shit." Grimm says, "Told you you're the Geico caveman looking motherfucker." Swanson says, "What the hell did you do to me?"
I ask if you want to save hundreds on car insurance.
Grimm says, "Get ready to eat it, yeah." Grimm says, "Time to take out the trash." Memphis says, "Damn, now I gotta fix the house." That museum guy says, "Thank you for the caveman. Here you go. Get that piece of crap out of here." The genius of Grimm. I just kicked some ass, made a lot of money, and tricked an idiot. And if you're not down with that, I got 3 words for you. Eat it, yeah.
Give me the fucking... What's going on? I will fuck... Why are you here? I will fuck you up. Oh my God!
Hold him back! Guys, we got some maniac trying to get into the GTS arena.
Grimm! Grimm! You know who's here?
Who is it?
The guy we stole the truck from!
Wait. The guy that I dragged out the white truck?
Yeah! Yeah, the guy you hit on the white truck! Oh God! Here he is!
Hide me!
Oh my God!
What? Hey!
Keep him back!
Wait.
Keep him back!
All right, wait, listen.
What's going on? What's going on?
My yard. It's my yard. I'll take care of this.
What's going on?
What's the problem?
Hold on. Yo, what's your deal, bro?
Easy.
What the fuck was that about, Grimm?
What? Well, listen, we
What is
needed...
that? What is that?
That's my new truck.
That is...
I needed
So,
to...
I'm sorry, what? Your truck?
Yeah, his truck.
I got a new truck.
Or did you forget what... You dragged me out of my truck, punched me in the face, and stole my fucking truck.
Wait, that... No.
Did
Oh,
you
no,
do
I'm
that?
just,
No.
I'm just imagining that happened. I'm just imagining that I had this bruise on my face from you punching me in the fucking head.
I don't know. How'd you find us anyway?
Oh, how did I... Come here, let me show you something. Come on, let's take a walk.
Wait, no, stay away from my truck.
Yeah,
Stay
that's
away
our
from
my
truck.
Come on.
That's GTS's property, right?
Get out of it, you friggin' blonde-head bitch. Where you going?
Come here.
Come here.
Where are we going? Why are we going over to the truck?
Open up the door.
This is a really nice truck, actually.
Open up the
Yeah,
door.
it is a nice truck.
Yeah,
man.
I got it myself over at the Nissan dealer.
Open up the center console.
What?
Open up the center console.
What's in the box?
Tell me what's in there.
Why? What is it?
Just open it up.
I haven't gone. Look.
Open up the center console.
Go ahead, Grimm. Just open it up. See what's in there. What's in there?
Flashlight.
What's in there? What's in there?
What is it?
Is that your phone, Grimm?
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
is
this
it?
is-
What is it?
What?
Wait, who's that? Wait, that's not your phone,
Tell
is
me
it?
what that is.
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh,
There's some-
it's my fucking phone.
There's a.
It's 2020, Grimm. I can track my phone in my truck.
Well, dude, why did you take his phone and put it in my truck?
I didn't take his phone and put it in the truck.
Clearly you did.
No, I did not.
Clearly you did. So what, yeah, you think you're gonna walk into my yard and get your truck back?
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
We don't do that here.
Yeah, you know what? We don't do that here. We have matches here for things.
Yeah,
Maybe you should have a match with him or something.
yeah, we should have a match with him.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, what kind of match do we have?
Wait, we can't do that. He's just a guy off the street. He don't know how to wrestle.
Yeah, I know. He don't know how to wrestle.
That wouldn't even be fair.
Yeah, it would be
It
fair.
would not be fair at all.
But
What?
You don't recognize me, do you?
Recognize? No.
Take a look, real quick. You recognize me?
oh shit.
Yeah.
What?
Oh wait.
What?
Wait.
Wait, we know him?
I do.
You know him? How do you
I know him.
Who is it? Know him? Who?
How do you not?
Say it louder. I can't.
That's fucking burn the cart! You damn fool! We stole fucking burn the cart's truck, you idiot!
We didn't recognize
And you called me an
Wait.
idiot!
All right, well, listen. All right, so what? Maybe he's.
You have to have a match with him. It's only fair.
Wait, who?
You stole the truck, not me.
No, wait, listen.
I was coming to rescue my buddy.
Listen, but it was your car that wouldn't start that maybe had to do that. Cause and effect. Basically, what should happen here, you want your truck back, you got to go through my man's Tony Emerald. And if Tony Emerald happens to win, Grimm gets to keep the truck.
Yeah. If I win, you get to keep the truck.
for the
truck.
Fight for the truck. Fight for the truck.
Why am I in the match?
What? Listen, I got a good deal for you. You get to fight Brandon Kirk. You get a match. That's high profile. And if you win, I get the truck. It works out win-win for both of us.
Yeah, it does.
Right? Good
Win,
idea.
win, win,
Right?
Win-win situation, right?
Yeah.
Win-win.
So when do we start this match? Right now.
Oh! Not the truck. Emerald, look out! Look out! Whoa! No, you're supposed to win, stupid. You're supposed to win. Oh my God! Now, what's he doing? No! Oh my God! Oh! Tony, idiot! Get your shit together right now! You idiot! Oh no! Oh no! What is wrong with you? Oh! This asshole now. That, you can all see why I didn't want to get in there. Tony Emerald! Oh! Whoa. Up and up! Wait a minute! Oh! Truck. What, Grimm, what are you gonna do?
Guess we're shit out of luck.
Roll me on the keys.
He's unconscious, dude.
No, wait.
Wanna play your fucking game? Oh. I'll play your fucking game. Take my truck back.
Oh, well, I mean, I guess you won it fair and square. I mean, unless.
He's the fat man that runs the bridge.
Unless. The following contest scheduled for one fall.
One fall!
It's for the truck. It's Brandon Kirk versus Grimm.
Oh! Count it!
1, 2, 3. I am a genius. I am a genius. I got my truck back. Brandon Kirk got his ass beat. And if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you. Eat it, yeah. No, dude, no, you have to, please. Listen, I know. Yeah, what about next Sunday? Really? Dude, he can't. Red Titus can't come and stop friggin' Tito the Clown. He's got Ring of Honor. He's booked all over the goddamn country. Red, you don't understand, dude. We need your help. Your son is out of control. It's not that easy. I don't know how he's this unstoppable Tito the Clown now. I know! Dude, you should hear what he's telling me to do. He said put out a fresh apple pie. He can't resist. Listen. God damn it, Red. What? Red, I'll call you later.
All right, dude. I've been hearing about this Tito thing, you know. I think I have an idea on how we can get rid of him.
You do?
Can I get an opportunity?
Wait, you want to face Tito?
Yeah, I'll go against him.
I know what you're thinking. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think we're on the same page here.
Retirement Rumble! Basically, yeah, that's what happens. You pick the guy in the match that you want to retire, and if you win, you get to retire him. That'd be great. So go in there, and we're going to say, you're going to retire him.
So, retire Tito, but does that mean Jimmy's still?
It's a retirement Rumble, just you versus him. No pinfall or nothing, you just have to throw him over the rope.
Throw him over the rope? Oh, no, dude, let me get...
Take the YouTube title.
Dude, I do. No,
and he has to retire.
No, I want to punish him. No, get the 1, 2, 3 on him. Dude, I want to beat his ass, man. Come on.
All right, fine.
All right?
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do this.
All right, so we got a contest scheduled for one fall for the YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Championship. Woo! Here comes the challenger. This is Kamikaze. Oh, damn it. I had a great idea. We should have had a match called the Retirement Rumble. Oh, no!
I just heard one of his testicles pop.
Get him in the ring, you titballs. Titballs the Clown. Oh, that's solid steel post.
That might have separated his shoulder.
Unbelievable. The YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Champion, Tito. Oh!
This is getting out of control.
Yeah, it is.
Can't you just put a bullet in
Oh,
the
wait,
ball?
where'd the hardcore title come from?
Wait. So that means I can just run up and kick her right in the back, right?
Yeah. Wait a minute, look at Tito tries to fly. Oh! Kamikaze battling back. Oh! That's it! You would have won! You'd be the YouTube champ if you followed my rules. Ah! Ah! Oh, God damn it! Ow! I made a match, Retirement Rumble. He would have won.
Kamikaze is actually doing it.
Oh! Maybe he can do it here. 1, 2, no! God damn it! God damn it! Oh! 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 This is why we need Rhett, damn it. No! God damn it. No! Oh! That's it. The controversy caused it. And now he's mocking his father, Red Titus. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Here is your winner. Oh, God. What the fuck? Oh, my God. He's mocking his father. Oh! Tosses.
Where are they?
That's a good question.
Hey.
Where are
Whoa,
they?
whoa, whoa,
Yeah,
whoa,
where
whoa,
are they?
whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, don't whoa. What's up, man?
Back.
What's up, dude? How you
Don't
doing,
touch
man?
it.
Where's
Don't
the
touch
partners at?
They're on their way.
They're on their way. We
they're
want
on
here
their-
now.
Well, you're gonna have to wait.
Wait, where? We've waited long enough. We're here every week. 2XL's here. 2XL. Listen. All right, but get back. If you don't have a partner next time on GTS, what are we gonna do? There's nobody else that can be your partner. Nobody.
They're on their way.
Wait, hold on. They're on their way. If you don't get a partner here by next week, we're wrestling you and your sister.
You're not touching my sister.
Yes, we are. Yeah, dude, we can throw her so far. Dude, imagine how far. Dude, how far do we throw her actually?
You're not touching her.
Get
Get up. Back off. Back off, you. Hit him. Get him.
Stop! What's wrong with you?
You're getting that too if your partners don't show up. 'Cause we want those titles no matter what. We don't care who wants to take. That's right. 2XL, 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 2XL,